Hello everyone, welcome back to I Love Learning's YouTube channel. I am Clarice Lim, you can call me Mrs. Wee. Today I'm going to share with you about the concept of solving questions that comes with the word remaining. It's a very common word in problem solving. So this remaining question can keep appearing and a lot of children find it very difficult to understand what is the meaning of remaining. So I'm going to use this chance to explain to you how to solve questions involving the word remaining. Okay, let's look at the first question. A farmer had 1,254 apples. He sold half of the apples to his family. He sold 179 apples, and after that, the farmer packed the remaining apples into bags of 8. Okay, this is about P3, P4 level. Okay, P3s, they might not know how to solve it yet, but P4s, they should. So it is about the P3, P4 level. So how do you solve this question? What you need to know is that the farmer had 1,254 and that is the total. When they say they sold half of the apples, what you will need to do, number one will be 1,254 divided by 2. So why divide by 2? Because half means it is divided by 2. So which means he actually gave away 627 apples to his family. So what you need to do is to label it. This is given to the family. You can write it in front as well, F, and draw the arrow. That's alright, as long as you label your working. He sold 179, which means because you want to find the remainder, what you will need to do is that this one is given to the family. It will also mean that this one is left. Correct or not? So 627 is left and you sold away 179. Therefore, you are left with 448. This will be the remainder after minusing how much you have sold, 179 apples. So because this is the remainder, the question says the farmer packed the remainder, which is this one, into 8 bags. Okay, so therefore you divide this into bags of 8. And you will get the answer 56. So how many bags did the farmer have in the end? 56 bags. Let's try another question on your own. Okay, this question, a farmer had 726 strawberries, so that's the total. He gave half to his friends, that's why you divide by 2 and you get 363. So he sold 139, which means from the 363 that he is left, minus away the 139 which he has sold, you're left with 224. So the 224, he repacked them into 7, therefore you divide by 7 and you get the answer 32. Did you get it right? Good job. Let's try another concept. For this question, Henry had $500. He spent $180 on a watch. So before we carry on, we'll straight away just 500 minus away the $180 first so that we can find the remainder. So in this case, the remainder will be $320. Henry then spent 1/4 of this remaining money. So what does that mean? It means this remaining money, you are going to cut it into 4 parts. Why 4 parts? Because 1/4 means that you cut the whole thing into 4 parts. So if you divide by 4, you will realize that the answer is actually 80. How much had Henry left? The fact that Henry spent 1/4, it will represent that out of the 4, Henry spent 1, which means he's only left with 3 units. And each unit is actually 80 because you found that 320 divided by 4 equals to 80. And this is actually 1 unit. Therefore, in order to find 3 units, you will need to take 80 times 3. You get 240. How much had Henry left? 240. Okay. Using the same principle, now try the next question on your own. You may pause the video at this moment and try it on your own. Okay, so now Libby had $1,290. She spent $150. Straight away, 1,290 minus away the 150 for the dress, and she will be left with 1,140, and that's the remainder. So what did she do to the remainder? She spent only 1/6 of it, meaning to say this one, she divided this into 6 parts and she spent only $190 for the necklace. How much is she left? So 6 units, take away this 1 unit, you're left with 5 units. So how much is Libby left? 190 times 5, you get the answer 950. I hope you got the answer right. Good job. Let's try another question. Okay, in this question, 15 children shared some jelly beans. 5 children gave their jelly beans away to the rest of the children. Okay, if that is 5 children gone, it will mean that you will be only left with 10 children. Correct? So each of these remaining children received 4 more jelly beans, which means what is the total number that these 10 children received? These 10 children would have received 40 more jelly beans. And where did these 40 more jelly beans come from? They came from the 5 children who gave it away. Therefore, each of these 5 children initially had only 8 jelly beans. That is the first number that they had, each of them. How many jelly beans did the children have at first? How many children were there? There is 15 children and each of them had 8. Therefore, the answer is 120. This question seems long, it seems complicated, but if you separate them out into sentence by sentence, it is actually rather easy to solve. Okay? Let's try another question of the similar format and you see if you can do it on your own. In this question, 30 children shared some stickers. 12 children gave their stickers away to the rest. How many children are left? 30 minus 12, you are left with 18 children. Each of these remaining children received 10 more stickers. Therefore, 18 of these children received 10 each. And total, they received 180. Where did this 180 come from? They came from the 12 children at first who gave stickers away. So 180 came from 12 children, therefore each children actually gave away 15 stickers. So 15 is the ultimate number that each child has. At first there is 30, therefore 30 times 15, you get the answer 450. Did you get it right? Well done. Let's try another question. Okay, this is an upper primary question, but you may attempt to. If you are lower primary, no problem, the numbers are quite small. Just try to understand the concept of the remainder. Okay, so Felix had 260 cupcakes. He gave 2/5 of the cupcakes to his family. What does that mean? It means Felix actually divided this 260 into 5 parts because he gave 2/5 of it to the family. If you can understand this, he divided into 5, you can straight away times 2 to save the working. If not, let's just do it step by step. Over here, the answer is 52. Okay, so he gave 2 parts of this, 2 of this into his family, which means how much is he left? He will be left 5 minus 2 units, which will give you 3 units. So he is left with 3 of this 52. Because this is 1 unit. And that will leave you with 156 cupcakes. 1/4 of this remaining 156 cupcakes are given to his friends, which means this 156 is again divided into 4 parts. Okay? So because he divided this into 4 parts, you will get each part to be 39. And this 39 has got some leftover because only 1/4 is given to the friends. 3/4 of this, where do I get 3 from? Out of these 4 units that he cut, he gave 1 unit to his friends, therefore he's left with 3 units. And because this is the new 1 unit, there is 3 units now, therefore 39 times 3 gives you the answer 117. 117 is the final answer. Now try another question on your own. You may pause the video now to try this question on your own. In this question, Andy had 343 jelly beans. He gave 3/7 of the jelly beans to his friends, which means Andy divided his total jelly beans into 7 parts and he is left with 4 parts. So you divide by 7, you get 1 of the part is 49. 49 times 4, he is left with 196. That's the remainder, correct? So remainder, he gave 1/4 to his cousins. Therefore, what did Andy do this time? Andy divided his 196 remainder into 4 parts. Each part is 49. How much is he left? 4 units minus the 1 unit that he has given away, left with 3 units, therefore 49 times 3 gives you 147 of jelly beans that he is left. Did you get it correct? Well done! That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video and understood how to use the concept of remainder. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you soon. Bye-bye.